Hey Rose, do I have to pollinate my pepper flowers for them to create a fruit, or should they be all good to go?
Yeah, and if I do have to pollinate them, how do I do that? All right, thank you, Rose.
Hey guys, so we're going to look at Matt's question about pepper pollination, and the short answer is yes, it is absolutely required. When peppers are actually grown outdoors, usually you don't need to do anything to help the plant out because the wind and the natural air movement outside effectively shakes the plant and knocks the pollen off into the sticky part of the flower. But when you're growing indoors, you don't have that same air movement. So just taking the time to give the plant a little bit of a shake can really help knock that pollen off and into the center of the flower, which again is where all of that fertilization occurs. So a really simple way to do that is just to take the stem gently between your thumb and your index finger and just give it a little bit of a shake. If you want to get even close to the flower, not a problem at all. You basically just come up right above it, give it a little bit of a tap, and that should be enough to dislodge the pollen.